Today we're making
cold brew this for like 44 hours.
We're making an espresso martini.
You gotta see what we make it with it.
After reducing it for 2 days.
It's fucking amazing. Is this concentrated?
Oh my god.
Come watch and find out.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails, Dan, Mr. Stirmaster, and Ian, Shake Master. We're gonna make for you 2 espresso martinis, 1 shaken, 1 stirred. Why? Because our argument is it doesn't make a difference.
What do you think out there?
Right.
When you make an espresso martini, do you shake it or do you stir it?
Right. Because the theory is that shaking is gonna give it a foamy head a little bit.
That's right.
And stirring won't. But at the end of the day, what we want to see
I'm pouring your coffee.
is we want to see Dan stir. That's all. Our executive producer is Daniel Ontiveros. Right down here, you can go to patreon.com/CMC to become a subscriber like Daniel.
Yeah, I'd like 2
This cocktail is going to be 2 ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounce of coffee liqueur, 1 ounce of freshly brewed espresso or cold brew concentrate, 1/2 simple syrup.
Brew. We're using cold brew.
We're using cold brew because I don't have an espresso maker, and I spent that cold brew has steeped for almost 24 hours before I took the coffee.
It must be.
It doesn't feel very concentrated, though.
What?
I don't know. It feels... The concentrate I think of as thick.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know.
Have you ever had really thick coffee?
Yeah.
From a cold brew?
Have you ever gone on a hunting trip?
Yeah.
No.
Thick. Thick, I tell you.
Thick.
I don't know if I've had thick
Ice
coffee.
me,
I don't know if
sir,
I've drank
please.
thick coffee.
I don't,
Be
think,
honest.
I don't think concentrate means thick, guys. I think it just means that the flavor is stronger.
Thick.
Thick.
You're on my
I'm
side.
all about thick.
It doesn't always mean reduced.
Right.
Reduced means thick.
It's not reduced coffee, Shalitha. I appreciate.
How long do I stir this thing for?
Okay.
I
Talk about concentrate.
See?
Until you're done.
Reduction.
There's no foam.
I can't hear you. What?
I think it's thick.
I'm with her because she's backing me up.
Perfect.
She backed me up. Also,
Who's backing you up? Your wife?
no, yours.
Your
Oh.
wife.
Oh.
Sometimes I know
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
I feel like she does.
There's
Oh,
some
Yes,
foam
I
in
do.
here.
yes, she does.
From, like everything.
All right, here.
So.
Dump these, sir.
You can go to recipe.awesomeracing.com if you would like to get the recipe for this and you don't feel like writing down what I said.
And here.
Also, because this is on November 12th, Happy National French Dip Day.
Brandy dipping me.
Happy National Pizza with the works except Anchovies Day.
1,
That's good.
2.
Sounds like your job.
Yes, totally my childhood.
Did you hear my days?
What?
It's
Oh,
National
phone.
French Dip Day.
I was
And
laughing at Diana's
Yeah, but that's how it looks. Ian.
Different colors, though.
That's how it
It's
looks.
bruised.
It's
Happy
bruised.
National
All
Pizza
right.
with the works except
Look out.
Anchovies Day.
Incoming and spilling.
The works. Then what's the works?
Which
Everything
one was
but-
shaken? You'll never guess.
Yes.
The one with the bubbles?
Yeah.
This we'll put this
Yeah, it's
one
not
here.
as clear when you shake it.
Put this one here. Oh, maybe that'll work. Oops.
No foam though.
No.
It's gonna
Just looks like a root.
Rising to the top.
It just looks like a root beer barrel.
It does.
I don't know.
You've been there
This
a
one.
few times.
You're
which
missing
one do you like
something
better?
to well, you know
Yeah,
what
you're
it is
missing the
because when you
three.
do the espresso, when you just brew it,
Yes, there's.
you get the foam.
The foam,
Yeah.
yeah.
You're also missing the 3 coffee beans for garnish because I just don't have coffee beans because I ground them. I don't
They were
have
just
any.
falling though.
Because
There.
you used your cold.
If you have a pet rabbit,
But
you
that
can
was
find a
ground.
substitute lying around.
You could.
A pet rabbit?
Yeah, because they make little.
Why isn't
Poops.
the concentrate so thick?
That's the problem. It would probably be foamier if that were the case.
Oh, this is super thick.
I guess reduced makes more thick.
Try the shake.
Shaken.
Oh, I didn't even see you stir. Son of a bitch. Did you do a good job?
We'll find out on the replay.
Yeah.
You
I
guys.
am a sneaky motherfucker.
This is
There's
why
a lot
it's-
of like rattling going on, so I think it wasn't a smooth stir.
You're all a bit bruised up there.
But I don't know.
I just did it and you guys didn't look at me.
Yeah. That's
But you did it
That's
quick.
it. Steven, crema. See, we're missing the crema. I did.
crema, huh?
No, I don't like. Well, I do. I do like
Oh.
them with cream
Different?
too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Same ingredients. Shaken versus stirred.
Yeah,
It's
but-
actually a little bit different.
Yeah.
Do
It's,
you like it?
Like the taste is different?
the stirred
The-
one is definitely
the-
stronger.
Really?
The mouth feels different too, though.
Yeah.
Really?
More coffee flavor than that.
Mm.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
I think maybe the.
Well, that's
the
definitely colder.
dilution is-
I wonder
Yeah,
if we
too.
got a different dilution effect.
Yeah,
Because if that one's
because-
colder, maybe that
Oh,
dilute
yeah.
more.
Yeah.
Right, because you're shaking versus
That's
stirring.
because Dan was trying to hurry up and stir.
I know.
So no one would see him.
That's the vocabulary word of the week.
I did it for like
Got a
20
different
seconds.
There you go.
This one is definitely.
Dilution.
This one is definitely more thicker though.
Dilution, I say.
This one seems thicker.
Oh my.
It does.
It has
Doesn't
a
it?
different mouthfeel.
It does.
It has a thicker
No.
mouthfeel. Like it's
Quite honestly, it's
more of a syrupy mouthfeel than
Did
that.
you use the
Oh,
same
then I can
concentrate? Did I pour yours separate? Was the thickness on the bottom that I poured out? I don't wear glasses with this anymore. Oh, this was the one I was using.
Oh,
Incoming!
where did that come from?
incoming. 14 seconds later.
Lucky producer.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, we almost lost something and it would have been on film. That would have been funny, except we wouldn't have a drink.
So for
Which one do you like better? I kind of like this one.
I kind of like the third one better.
Yeah, I
I'm gonna have to try. Now I'm curious.
know. I wasn't.
Thanks thou didst the protest.
That's,
Ooh, head
I think the dilution.
The dilution.
yeah,
factor.
that's
I
kind of
think the
weird.
dilution factor has had an effect.
Yeah. It's something's different. Like it's definitely heavier.
I think for just like a dark.
Whoever says higher viscosity and shaking due to aeration.
right. This one will eventually turn into
That's
something
that
closer to
word right
this.
There you go.
Wow.
Viscosity.
I think the
I only hear that in Mobile One commercials.
Yes! The viscosity
The
breakdown.
viscosity breakdown.
it's affecting the boundary layer around it.
Yes.
So
Really scientific. Let me have one more.
That's a real term.
Science of drinking.
the science of drinking is strong with us.
There you go. Diana says the brightest ideas come when tipsy. Y'all should get matching Marathon strainer tattoos.
Oh, that's right.
There you go. Yeah. We'll put them right.
Oh, that's what we
Shit.
could do.
I gotta get
There
some
you go.
space.
You
We can
all
put it
need
right here.
Marathon strainers.
Right here.
That's pretty funny.
We should.
That would look like it would
You
look
don't even have any
like-
tattoos. I'm
I
ready
don't.
to go. Let's go like
You
now.
don't either.
I have no tattoos.
Yeah,
You don't
but
have any tattoos either?
No.
I thought you would have
You
at least
guys
have a tardigrade.
tattoo, you need tattoos.
Yeah.
You know what though? Like,
A tardigrade tattoo?
A tardigrade?
Tardigrade.
What's a tardigrade?
it's
Little
tough.
tiny-
This one actually
A water
tastes.
bear?
I just spit all over. 'em.
Water bear? What the hell?
This one tastes a little bit different.
Are you
What
speaking
happened?
English? I don't know what's going on.
You've now been intrigued, Ian.
I'm sorry, Ian. I thought you are higher intelligence level. Like you typically come in with like really high
I'm not
things.
hearing what you're saying is the problem.
Tardigrade.
Tardigrade. Okay, I don't know what that is. And I
That's-
don't know what a water bear
I was
is.
not expecting you not to know, so I thought it would have been funny.
What,
A
that's the
tardigrade?
word of the day, so what is that?
Tardigrade. It's the smallest, like strongest little creature. The little
creature.
microscopic creatures.
Yep.
They get the funny little mouths.
Nobody
They,
knows.
Yeah, I know what you're talking
No.
about.
Oh, this is like Dungeons and Dragons
Yeah.
talk.
no, this is science.
This is a
This
real
is
thing.
fucking science.
Oh my God.
There's no tardigrades in
This is
Dungeons
like
and Dragons.
Super nerd talk.
No!
Ah,
No,
it's like
no.
I'm shutting down.
Well, it is nerd, but it's real nerd.
Nobody's legit. Now,
It's science.
in
The
my,
tardigrade works on the bridge of the Star Trek Enterprise.
On this end you got
Shit.
tardigrade, on this end you got retrograde.
Yeah.
It's all astrology.
so in her defense,
I'm a Taurus.
Nerd. So am I, nerd, and your Star Trek thing. There was a tardigrade in Discovery season 1
Wow, see?
on CBS All
Liam
Access,
always says he wants a tardigrade tattoo.
and it was a badass tardigrade though. It was a fucking monster. It was huge,
Wow,
This is
see?
good yet.
and I was like, "Holy shit, it's a real tardigrade!" I want to get a cute one though.
You look like a
I want to get a cute one. Well, which one do you like?
I like the third one. I like Dan's one better.
This one, I think the coffee flavor actually comes out a little bit more.
I thought it was this one better.
Yeah, same
This
here.
one, I think that one's a little bit heavy.
Which
Like
one is
syrupy?
more coffee, the stir or the shake?
Well, he's.
I think this one's a little more syrupy.
You can't say this one. Which is the
Oh, the third one.
This-
The third.
I think the coffee is
I was
all
pointing at it so everybody
He tried
looking
to
at it
explain
can
it.
see
No,
what I'm
this
talking
one.
about.
You can't say this one. This one.
That should be young.
Pointing over here. You're like this one.
This one.
This
Oh,
one
somewhere.
over here.
Wait.
Off the rails on the third drink at 8:48.
All right, the breakdown.
All right.
Here it is. This is cut chapter. The chapter, and this is Derrick gets sanity back in the show.
All right.
This is different than this. I think this one has more coffee. Dan thinks this one has more coffee. We all agree this one's heavier,
Yes.
concentrated, or
Syrupy.
whatever it is, syrupy. So I would suggest stirring it or making both because it's not a very complicated drink, and if you can make one, you can make it.
If you're going to put an egg white or milk in it, then maybe a shake makes more sense.
Oh, yeah,
to
yeah.
froth it up.
Definitely.
But for this recipe,
Oh yeah.
Just don't use lemon.
For this recipe, if you like a more syrupy mouthfeel, then stirred is definitely the way to go.
Yeah,
or
you
use
could
a
do this with-
reduction.
Don't
Instead of concentrate.
you just bitched about the rails. I brought it back on, and you're like pulling it away.
He's just bringing it back.
Yeah, it's called a.
How come he has a radar detector on top of his
I don't know
camera?
if I want to chew my drink.
That's my hard disk.
Oh, it's a hard
Yes,
disk.
SSD.
Anyway,
All right,
You're getting in the way.
All right,
Drinks.
let's go.
No history to this episode. It's just a
It's all done.
Make
Watch
it.
some shit over here. Buy some shit.
Down here.
20% off holiday.
It's holiday 20.
Do it.
All right.
Then you can stir it and shake it if you have all the right equipment.
That's true. That's it. We'll teach you how to drink.